How to fix Facebook app not loading reels or videos. If your Facebook reels or videos aren't loading, it's usually due to slow internet, outdated app files, or temporarily glitch. Here is a clean and quick guide to get them working again. First thing, you can start off by checking your connection. You can toggle airplane mode to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So let's just first tap on it to toggle airplane mode, and you can turn it off again. And if you are on Wi-Fi, you can switch over to data. If you are on mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. Once that is done, you can restart Facebook app. So fully close it from your recent apps, and you can reopen it again. Once you have done that, you can check for latest updates on Facebook, because sometimes it could be caused by outdated app. So let's go over to Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, go to the search bar at the top, and simply search for Facebook. If you see an update button here instead of open, just make sure to update the app to its latest version. Now, once that is done, you can try to clear cache on your device. Long press on Facebook, tap on the I button at the top right corner, go over to storage, and then tap on clear cache. Now, after doing that, re-log into your Facebook or just restart your device. Long press on the power button, tap on the restart icon, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.